Do you know what time it is? Hello. It's time to see if you can beat me at a plank challenge. Outplank me. And you got a good chance today because I got a hurt hand and I've been not doing it for days, even though I'm on day 77 of my 100-day challenge. And I'm confident that I'll still probably, maybe I shouldn't be so confident. I think I can still hit my 2-minute mark, which is twice where I started at 1 minute. Just to remind you, it's not really about beating me, but a little healthy competition is good. But it's really about beating your old time. And hopefully I can beat my original time. I'm gonna start here on the 1 minute mark and just see how far I get after not doing it for a few days. And mostly doing it though for 77 days of my 100-day challenge. You can find me on Facebook, by the way, doing those 100-day fitness challenges just mostly by myself. Sometimes some other people join me. It's really just about doing whatever I can to get a little bit better day by day. I'm going to focus on breathing. You notice I'm in the main house. Got a little break from guests. That's always nice for me. I'm going to call that 2:45. You keep going if you're still going. And if you're not, I hope you're stretching it out. And if you're doubling my time, awesome. Good job. Again, I remind you, it's not really about beating me. It's about beating your old time or just improving on yourself, or at least not sliding backwards if you're dealing with injuries or aging or any of that stuff. Happen to get the best of you. It hasn't got the best of me. Just now and then it hits me. Anyway, let's do a little stretching that out. I'd love to know what time you're hitting. That's about the top that I've hit, 2:45. I do find after a break for a couple days, sometimes come back stronger. I had some pretty intense arm pain for a couple days there, which I'm very happy to say has subsided quite a bit. So I'm getting right back to it. And happy that I haven't lost any strength or at least not in that arena. it's an ongoing, it's a full-time occupation, minding my own business. As a friend of mine says in a song he sings sometimes, oh, I got a lot of tension in these arms after all this pain. So I'm going to come back and do some more yoga, some more stretching and strengthening, but I'll pause the video for now on the planking challenge. Again, let me know how you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you. Stay curious, stay courageous, stay fit, and stay free. Ciao for now.